Have you ever wondered why you're working so hard but still feel broke? In today's video, we are diving deep into a topic that might resonate with many of you. My answer might surprise you. Millions of people around the world possess untapped knowledge that could generate income. This video will show you step by step on how to turn what you know into a consistent stream of income. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hello fams, my name is Ade, and on this channel we talk about finance, health, self-development, on freelancing, online side hustle, and every other thing in between. So the first thing to do to stay out of being broke is to understand your knowledge value. Many people underestimate the value of what they know. Your knowledge, whether it is skill, hobby, or even your personal experience, is unique. For instance, maybe you've learned how to make amazing bread or you've mastered Excel at work. Guess what? People are willing to pay for knowledge that saves them time, teaches them something new, or solve their problems. So what are you waiting for? That knowledge you are hiding, a lot of people need it and they are willing to pay for it. So I need you to do this action tip. Write down 3 things you are good at or frequently help others with. This is the foundation for discovering what you can monetize. Are you good in marketing, sales? You love to talk, you love to help people with their assignment, or you know how to bake, you know how to sew beautiful clothes? Just write it down. This will definitely help you. So I believe you are done listing those 3 things. Next is to identify marketable skills. You need to understand that not all skills are marketable, but many are in demand. So you need to break it down to these categories. Number 1, professional skills, which could be writing, graphic design, coding, a registered nurse, a medical doctor, an accountant, a lawyer, or project management. The second category should be your hobbies and your passion. Okay, maybe you love to cook, or fitness, gardening, or even gaming. And the third category is life experience like budgeting, parenting, relationship talk, or overcoming challenges like weight loss. For example, someone who lost 50 pounds can actually teach others how to do it through coaching or ebook. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. That is you generating another source of income from what you love to do. That is your passion or hobbies. Another actionable tip to do in this area is to make research to see what people are offering in these areas. So after you're done with that, the next thing for you to do is to choose the right platform. Now that you have identified your skills, you need to figure out where to monetize them. Different platforms work for different types of knowledge, so you need to identify a platform that will work for you. If you're a freelancer, that says you work remotely, you need platform like Fiverr, Upwork, even LinkedIn, Facebook, even TikTok. Yes, you can get gigs and jobs from that. We have thousands of freelancing platforms that you can choose from. You can make further research on this. If you want to go into online courses, you can use platforms like Teachable, Allison, Udemy to teach skills, or even Skillshare. Do you want to share knowledge through free content and through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing? Then YouTube and blogging is the platform you can use. Another platform you can use is social media, that is TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. On those platforms, you can actually build your audience and sell your product and services to them. For this, one actionable tip you need to do is to focus on one platform initially instead of spreading yourself too thin. So focus on one social media platform initially. So let's assume you choose TikTok. You need to focus more on TikTok and post consistently. After a while, then you can spread your tentacles. If it's YouTube, focus on it and then spread the tentacles. The same with Instagram, with LinkedIn, and every other platform. Now it is time to build your online presence. You see, this step is crucial because a professional and trustworthy online presence can set you apart. Now, how can you do this? The first thing is to create a simple professional profile, maybe on TikTok, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, or Facebook, or on YouTube. Then use consistent branding. That's it, same profile picture, same bio, same niche across all those platforms. For example, if you are teaching people how to bake, your Instagram platform should have baking tips, recipes, and testimonials from people who learn from you. Now get your pen and a notebook and write a short and engaging bio to explain who you are, how you help others. For example, you can write, I teach busy mom, how to prepare healthy and budget-friendly meals. Do you see that? Is that making sense? Yes, it actually makes sense. It is simple, concise, and straight to the point. The next segment is to create and start selling digital products. You need to understand that whatever niche you have, you can actually sell and create your own digital products. Maybe you are into baking, you can do that. You know how to cook, you can actually create a digital product. You're into public speaking, you can actually create digital products towards that. You are a freelancer, you can create a digital product towards that. You are into medicals, you can create and sell your digital product. And one thing I love about the digital products is that they are fantastic because they don't require inventory and can be sold repeatedly over time. Examples of digital products you can create is an ebook where you can create a step-by-step guide on a topic you know very well. The next one is online courses whereby you create detailed tutorials that go beyond the basic. And the last one is printable or templates, where you create budget planners, workout planners, and meal planners or journals. For example, if you are great at organizing finances, you could sell a budget template on Etsy. If you want to create a digital product or template, one of the best tools I recommend for you is Canva. Like I said earlier on, you can use a platform like Teachable for courses. Now, if you are still watching this video to this point, tell me, why haven't you subscribed to this channel? Just take a second of your time to subscribe, like, and also share. Now, the next thing you can do is to monetize your skill through freelancing or consulting. Freelancing is perfect for those who prefer to offer personalized services, while consulting is for those with deep expertise in a specific field. As a freelancer, you help clients on a project basis. It could be a fixed job, it could be hourly. While for consulting, you provide expert advice, maybe on health issues, finance issues, weight loss, freelancing journey, freelancing tips. If you're a teacher, you can help schools review their curriculum. If you're a fashion designer, you can help upcoming fashion designers to improve in designing. If you're a makeup artist, you can also do this. One thing that will set you apart if you want to monetize your skill through freelancing or consulting is to define your services and set clear rates. And use platforms like LinkedIn to network or join niche specific Facebook groups. The next step is to leverage affiliate marketing and sponsorships because these are great ways to make passive income. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is about promoting products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through their link. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. So if you are good in sales or marketing, then affiliate marketing is a sure way for you. Then for sponsorships, you can partner with brands to promote their product for a fee. For example, if you are a fitness coach, you can recommend workout gear or fitness wear and earn affiliate commissions or collaborate with supplement company for partnership. I would suggest signing up for affiliate program like Amazon and also encourage you to build trust with your audience by promoting only what you genuinely believe in. I will say that again. If you want to go to affiliate marketing, please always promote products or services you genuinely believe in. All right. So after doing all this, the next thing for you is to scale up your knowledge-based business. So once you start generating income, the next goal or target for you is to scale. Now, let me tell you the strategies for scaling. One strategy is to automate your tasks. The next strategy is to outsource repetitive tasks. And the last strategy is to diversify your income stream. Create more products, expand into new niches. Another actionable tip I would suggest for you is to reinvest a portion of your earnings into tools or strategies that will help you grow. One thing you need to understand is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. Everyone starts somewhere and they get better as they go. I will encourage you to take action now. And the first actionable tip I gave you is to write down 3 things you help people with or you are great at. This is because the first step to financial freedom is recognizing the value of your knowledge and sharing it with the world. Please don't wait on this. Start now. Now you are ready to monetize your knowledge. Hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, and let us know in the comment section what skills you will start monetizing today. I will suggest a challenge for you. In the next 7 days, identify one skill you can monetize and share your ideas in the comment section. Whatever skill you choose, ensure to share your journey across your preferred social media platforms, like I suggested, and later diversify on every other platform. Let's hold each other accountable. So I'm rooting for you all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.